Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, maybe an audio, we'll be talking about how to keep ourselves motivated. Okay, so before we get started, one thing you all must know that in this world, nobody cares about you until or unless you start caring about yourself. So, for other people to motivate you, it is important that you should be ready to motivate yourself. There are hell lot of ways to motivate yourself, but the first one is that you should be very much into something. You should be wanting something at all the cost that you may have to pay, and there should be something that you are living for, you know. You might not be certain about what you want, what you really want, but there should be something in your mind that you want to do some big stuff, and that is what is going to motivate you for the rest of your lives. You need to know that you are not going to be satisfied with something because you want the hell lot of thing, you know. So yes, the first person who can motivate you is just you. There is no use of this video if you yourself think that you are not able to do anything, or if you don't want to do anything. No one, no one can do anything for you if you don't want to do it for you, you know. I believe this was the most important one. And when we come to next things that can motivate you, like may motivate some of you and not all of you. So the second thing is your parents, you know. They are doing so much for you, like you cannot even imagine how much parents do for their children. Like sometimes they even sacrifice their needs for our wants. Parents are so great that they actually sacrifice their needs for our wants. This one line may not be as heavy as it can be easily said. Sorry, what I just said. Yeah. So the line, if you go deeper into its meaning, it means a lot. We are the world of our parents, you know. So they have been doing a lot of stuff for us. When I was studying, I remember my parents worked harder than me. If I used to get up at 8 o'clock, they used to get up at 5. Like, for whom? For me, because I had to go to school, I had to take lunch, I had to eat breakfast. So my mother used to get up at 5 o'clock just because so I could reach at school at time. And I don't think that there is some selfish motive behind this. They're just doing it so we are settled in our lives, we can earn money, and we can do well. So your parents are your best motivator, no one else can. So these were the two best ways to keep yourself motivated. The first one, to desire for something great. The second one, to value the sacrifices your parents have made. And if you want more ways that could motivate you, you must give this video enough likes. Thank you for today and hope you have subscribed to the channel. Till then, bye bye.